What do you need to do to prepare your home for winter? In this video, I'm going to break it down for you by the top 9 things to do to prep your home for winter, and one of them may not be what you think. Hi, I'm Natalie Randall, former teacher turned realtor and real estate strategist, helping people make their move in and to the Denver and greater North Denver areas. If you want to know everything there is to know about living in Denver and the greater North Denver area, start now by hitting that subscribe button below and making sure to tap on the bell so you're notified anytime there's a new video that I've made just for you. And if you're not watching this video from my YouTube channel, go ahead and head on over there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap on the bell. Don't want you to miss out on any other valuable content that we produce just for you. Many people are first-time homebuyers in the Denver area and they're not used to having to prep their home for the winter conditions. With these 9 tips to prepping your home for winter, it will help eliminate some of the damage that can be caused to your house during our chilly Colorado winters. If you watch to the very end, I've got a special PDF just for you. So number 1 is clean gutters and downspouts throughout the season. Clogged gutters and downspouts prevent rain and snow from properly draining from your roof. With the crazy windstorms that we often see and leaves falling, it's very common for downspouts and gutters to have leaves, branches, or even at times birds' nests in them. So number 2 is have the lawn irrigation system professionally drained or winterized. It can be very common for your pipes to have water in them unless you have your sprinkler system blown out. If you don't have the water completely removed from the pipes, the water can freeze, causing the pipes to burst or break. Number 3, with the intense wind and hailstorms, or even just an older roof, it can become common for the shingles to be missing or broken. Additionally, some shingles can curl up on their ends. So check your roof for any missing or broken shingles. If your roof is in poor condition or the shingles are damaged, water and snow can slip under the other shingles and become trapped. This alone can risk the integrity of the entire roof, not to mention could cause serious ceiling damage from leaking. Call a professional roofing contractor to have the integrity of your shingles and roof examined. Number 4. Okay, here's a tip that you probably wouldn't expect to be on here. It doesn't quite have to do with your actual house, but it does have to do with a value that impacts your home. And that value is your outside curb appeal. So remember to cover your outdoor furniture. The Colorado sun is very brutal, and especially in winter, it can cause your furniture to fade. Since outdoor furniture is expensive, it only makes sense to cover and protect it from the elements. Number 5, along the same lines of number 4, keep in mind that the first thing a future home buyer will notice about your house is your curb appeal. So number 5 is to trim your trees, shrubs, and bushes. Doing so will prevent your tree's branches from breaking and snapping. When we do have that heavy wet snow, that's pretty common. So number 6, the harsh Colorado winter sun can wreak havoc on your decks. The sunlight can cause the stain to fade, and when the freezing rain does come in, it can seep into the wood, causing expansion and affect both the deck's shape as well as its structural integrity. So make sure to winterize your deck by applying a fresh coat of stain or paint and sealing any cracks in the existing deck. Number 7, your home most likely has insulation in both the crawl space or basement and the roof. These particular areas are the last opportunity for the warm heat to escape your house. You can increase and help sustain the temperature in your home by checking for missing insulation. All right, number 8. This is a huge one for me, and it doesn't need to happen just in winter, but it really should be done on a regular basis. This whole maintenance type is to test all the smoke detectors and the carbon monoxide detectors. So did you know that carbon monoxide poisoning occurs the most in the winter season? I always recommend having both a plug-in detector and one that is backed by a battery. All right, last one, number 9. Oftentimes dirty air filters, dust, and dirt prevent our air vents from functioning properly. To ensure that heat is spread evenly throughout your home, check for blocked air vents, including making sure there's no leaking or damaged ductwork and that furniture is not blocking the vent. If you have any questions or need some assistance, feel free to reach out to me. Make sure to download your free PDF guide to these 9 tips, which is right there below in the description. And you're more than welcome to reach out anytime. I'll talk to you soon.